and upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, then you're one of my little doll babies, and hi, doll baby. How are you? So happy that you're here. I have a quick little wig show and tell. This is one of the Sensational Dashley wigs. I have to say, in general, I have not been jazzed about Dashley.
Steppity step and jazz hands.
In the past, there may be only one or two that I even liked. I will link down below my full Sensational playlist, which all of the Dashley units that I have reviewed are in it. But we have Dashley Miss Lace unit number 4. I have her in the color T4/Ash Blonde. Okay, she is a deep-sided right part. So deep side parts, heat safe up to 350 to 400 degrees. It did have baby hairs. This is fast. I can never say this. Fast fashion meets hair. Supposed to be like, put it on, go, look cute, don't have to mess around with it too much. And I got her from Glamourtress for $28.28. So let's talk about her.
Let's talk about it.
I actually kind of like this one. So first things first, she is a light yaki texture. She's pretty long, so she's not to tangle, but the tangles come out pretty well, I think, because of the curl pattern, the wave pattern. So you can just really, she does really want to, yeah, everything comes out fairly easily. It gets this like beautiful romantic wave pattern. This is all the hair to the front. Loving the ashy, loving the ashy tone of this wig. I'm loving ashy tones. That's my favorite, is an ashy tone blonde. This is definitely a number 4 root. So beautiful. The one thing I would say, and this is a total pet peeve of mine, I don't like when the curl pattern of a wig, like, do you see how this goes out and then this comes in? I don't know why, but I hate that. It should go out. If that is something that you notice or that bothers you, please let me know down below. Maybe it's just me. Let's look at her from the back. I am getting a little bit of shedding, but it's, you know, it's a nice density wig, so it shouldn't be too much of a problem. Yeah, she definitely needs brushed. All right, let's see. Oh, yeah. She's very pretty from the back. Movement is good. I always feel like this area is where I get the wigginess, so I always check that area. She's comfortable. I would say it's a medium to, it could work for someone looking for a larger wig cap for sure. There is a little bit of room. I have her pretty tight, and there's definitely some stretch and some room to her, so I'd say that it's sort of like an average medium to, it could work for someone looking for a larger wig cap. So yeah, that's what I think of Miss Dashley. The luster is really great. The ashy color, yeah, she's definitely going to want to tangle, but she's pretty long, so she could just use a trim, actually. She's probably in the 22-inch realm. To me, I like the longer the better for the wigs.
Give her those inches, girl.
But I know some people, except for when they get into like the 30-inch, then I get a little bit crazed. But I feel like for me, 22 to 28 is like the place that I love. Yeah, she's catching a little bit. It does come out easily, so this is just one you're going to want to keep a brush with you, keep on top of her. I actually do have the combs in, which I don't normally. Yeah, she's pretty comfortable, feeling secure. So overall, I actually like this one. So I think out of all the ones I've reviewed, which maybe are 6, I think I liked 2 of them. So again, if there is a Dashley wig from Sensational that you would like me to review, please check out my playlist first to see which ones I've already reviewed. And if it's not in there, go ahead and put that down below. If you like this video or this type of content, go ahead and hit the little like button. Share it with your friends, with your family, with your co-workers, your cat. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.